Welcome back to Skyway Classics channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454. Gorgeous ride. A blast to drive, great response, quick, loud. Has a mild cam in it, but still sounds great roaring down the road. We've got a black paint with stripes on the hoods, front and back, none on the top. Black interior. And it is a 4-speed, so this thing is just a blast. But the interior is in great condition. Go ahead and check out the trunk. Got the spare back here. Got some extra carpeting for the back seats. And the trunk is in great condition. Brand new spare as well. Alright, let's go ahead and pop this out. Let's go jump into the driver's seat, check out the clusters. There's all the clusters, the clock, speedometers. Very nice. All right, we're gonna go ahead, take her for a spin, check out how she drives, look under the hood, and put her up on the lift.
Hey, check this out, Mark.
Wow.
I mean,
nice cold air, too.
Yeah, nice cold air. I'm going to shut it off though because it's so nice. It's got the windows open though, but 454, big block. This car runs. And I've driven a lot of them. In the top 5 cars that I've ever driven.
Wow.
For the way it idles, the way it shifts. Speedometer works, tachometer works. Got a full tank of gas. Real easy shifting. Quite impressive. Gotta wait for the traffic to clear, and then she's got a very little cam in her, but you wouldn't even know it. Just, I mean, a driver, Mark, the car that you're looking for to go cruise and have a blast. Doesn't creak when it goes over.
Yeah, no.
Just got all the balls. Woo!
Wow, that's a blast.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, I thought you would too. So,
Wow.
This is one that you've been looking for, a real top highline driver type car with a real nice paint job, owned by an older guy for the last 30 years up in southern Florida. We got it from him on consignment, and just really proud to have a car like this in our inventory to represent it, Mark. So I'm going to get turned around really quick. Let's go ahead and get her up on the hoist and show people what it looks like on the bottom.
Okay.
Because the bottom's as nice as the top.
Yeah.
All right, take it back. Nice, huh?
Wow. All right, thank you.
All right, see you guys later. Thanks for looking at Skyway Classics, and any questions you can call us at 734-323-9260.
All right, here we go with the car up on the lift. You can see how clean and strong she is under here. Very well maintained. This car drives excellent, sounds great, and the undercarriage is beautiful. If you'd like to see more of the car, anything that we missed, give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd love to do a live FaceTime. And we always appreciate you stopping by, check out the videos, see what we got over here at Skyway Classics. We thank you for stopping by, and we hope you have a great day.